Manufacturing digital operations is the evolution of MES, mainly used in places where lights-out manufacturing or a complete automated factory is not achievable. If you think that you have a factory where it still needs operators, that's where a manufacturing digital operation can be a better fit than a traditional MES. Even in factories that could potentially achieve full automation, lights-out manufacturing, you could actually see manufacturing digital operations as an intermediate step, since to achieve that level of automation, it would take, for some companies, more than 10 years to get there. The difference between a manufacturing digital operations, or DO, and an MES is that DO puts the operator in the first place. It models the factory with the operator's point of view. So it places the operator as a central piece so that the digital platform is built around the manufacturing end-to-end process from the operator's standpoint. The result is an operator co-pilot. So the result is a tool that helps guiding the operator over the task that they have to accomplish while connecting to the machine and responding to what happens in the machine. In contrast, a traditional MES would be much more focused on tracking the machine performance and state, so that's your OE, and also tracking material, your track and trace. So missing a whole layer of information, which is the actual operator workforce. The result is that you can actually find companies that have gone through an MES implementation but still have a bunch of paper being used